So today we will show our houses and our toys.
Ooh, baby, when I look in your eyes, I see love, yeah. Honey, when you hold me tight, I feel love. 'Cause when you take my hand, everything is alright. We got love, yeah, we got love, 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 yeah, we got love, 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 we got
Hey, Ronnie, do you want to come on, babe?
Yes.
Come on, let's go.
So Indrani's gonna do the splits.
And Ronnie's gonna do the splits. Oh, wow, good job.
And this.
Oh, and this.
And there's, oh, you want to be careful.
Okay.
All right, that was really nice.
Now bow for the camera.
Bow for the camera.
Very good.
Nice. It's such great weather, guys. December, it's almost Christmas, but in Texas here we've got sunshine. What are we doing, Ariana?
Today we're gonna show you our most favorite place in the world to be.
So we're doing like a house tour. It's 2.5 acres, guys, and
It's just 2
oh, it's just 2 acres. All right. So we're gonna film the garden first, then go right inside the house.
So this orchard has apple trees and it has, I believe it has pear and peach as well. And as you can see, all the leaves have fallen. So we're gonna insert this footage from the summer so you can see all the trees in their glory with their beautiful leaves. We're going to be carving out a little space for a greenhouse because one of our goals as a couple is to be able to have really good fresh fruit and vegetables for our kids.
You'd be surprised how much you could grow down here in Texas. Dude, I got the sun hitting on my face.
Favorite place to go is right by this beautiful lake here. We set out a nice picnic blanket and bring all of the kids, and they like to do cartwheels and put on talent shows while we just enjoy them in their cute little youth.
Before Ariana takes you to the secret garden, I'm gonna turn this around and show you. Our church is just right there. All right, mother.
Here's our secret garden, the perfect place to relax and to read. Sarah
Yeah.
loves to read Harry Potter over here. She is finishing up book number 2.
Let's now start heading inside.
Are you guys excited to see our house?
Alright guys, so we have Sarah, as usual, Mommy, and Miss
The
Savannah.
dreamy child.
The dreamy child of ours. We're gonna be doing a nice house tour. Mother,
Yes, Father.
you excited?
Yes, I think they should come through the front door.
Okay,
and
let's
we'll
go right
show
in
them
then.
our house.
The giant front door.
The
Who's
giant
taller
front
than Dad,
door.
who's pretty tall.
Alright, as soon as we get here, we have a mini dining room. Mommy, I love the mirror. You always talk about the mirror so much. That is a little mini dining place right there.
Let's take them to our living room first, yeah?
Okay,
And this
we'll
is one of my favorite pictures. This is actually where Jet and I got married
Oh,
in
yeah.
Utah.
that's where we lived most of our lives. Yeah, every morning we just open this door, we come out here, and this is where we have breakfast if it is a good weather like today.
Yeah.
You know, we just sit outside and just have our breakfast here, just chill and nice breeze. Texas is a nice place. It's got all this great weather
And great babies. So cute,
and
huh?
great babies.
And great babies too.
So Mama,
Yes, Mother.
so you want us to come over here and show?
We have a TV here, but it's not even plugged in because we don't watch that much TV.
Yeah,
but
we
the
don't.
kids sometimes do, but we spend a lot of time here.
One thing we like about this home, the color of the home interior is just purely white. It's just very clean and nice. As you can see, the windows are open. The reason we do that is because we like to be in light and not darkness. That's what we always say. We love the sunlight that comes through it, and we love to see the view as well.
This is our kitchen.
And also the dancing place for Sarah and Indrani and Rigdon. All of them start dancing here. Do you want to hold the baby? Hold the baby just for a little bit.
Please, can I hold her?
Just for a little bit. Not too long. She's the baby stealer. All the time stealing the baby from Mommy. Yeah, just why don't you show this next room?
And this is our meeting room. And that's the TV.
TV. Up there is a library.
No, don't show the library. That is a surprise for later.
Okay.
We're gonna show that
Stay
later.
tuned to the end.
All right, so here we are. We've got all what we need to get over here. And let's, Mommy, why don't we move to the next room?
Okay.
Okay, can I
Um,
introduce the next room?
Now it's
turn.
Mommy's turn, Miss. Okay, Mom. Well, okay, we'll let you introduce again. Why don't you go introduce the guest bedroom?
Okay, let's show the guest
Okay.
room.
Whoever the guest is would be really upset at you right now for messing up their bed.
I think it looks much more cozy when you do that.
Okay,
You guys are visiting the Selva family. This will be
this
your
is
room.
where you will stay.
And this is where you hang up your clothes.
Yeah, so we got this little boat that we bought. We gotta put it up there.
So this is where
Yeah.
we teach Sarah how to not be naughty.
Yeah.
Lesson number 1.
All right, my dear. Okay, this is pretty much what this is. And let's go to the next one.
And if guests ever come here, she will probably do that even when you're lying on
Oh
that
yeah,
bed.
that's totally Sarah.
That was so funny.
And there's Indrani right there. Hi. Let's go here really quick. And we got a movie room right here.
Place another one.
These guys love it, you know. They watch all their favorite cartoons here. All right, Mom. So let's head to the next room. Thank you.
We have a surprise room there, which we'll show you
We'll
one
show
day.
you later. And this one
It's
here
just a guest bathroom.
yep, leads to the garden. So it's like right there, you know.
So if
Just
we
come
ever
in.
want to build a swimming pool, this will be like the swimming pool room. When the kids come in, we can throw them in there, hose them off, and let them in the house.
Oh, look what I found.
Grayson! All right, come on, guys. Let's go.
Okay, so this
Okay.
is the master bedroom.
So we've got the windows all open. Hi, Sarah.
And then I show everyone the bathroom.
Come on. There we go. That's a mini bathroom right there. Okay, that's good. That's good. What else would you like to show everyone?
This is a cloth. Oh, you
No.
know, I'm talking about clothes. Okay, this is a coat, and this is a shirt, and this is a.
All right, that's a dress, and these are shoes.
Oh,
and
you know,
Ronnie.
I talk about this. Okay, these are dresses where you hide.
That's true. Where you hide, and where are you? I can't even find you anymore. And Ronnie, are you here?
No, I'm upstairs.
Uh-oh. Okay, let me go upstairs. Oh, there you are, you little monkey. Okay, let's go out of here and show us more, okay? Hi, Mama.
We should probably go before the kids turn this into a play area.
Uh-oh, that's true. Come on, guys, let's go. And there's another door outside. I mean, I love how open it is. And you can just get out in the morning and just start running out. Is what they, that's pretty much what they do. It's like, exactly. And the good thing is that we don't have neighbors here that's close by.
We have really nice neighbors that haven't said anything yet.
Did you like
Yeah. Come on, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Guys, we're gonna
Okay,
show
come on,
you
let's go.
upstairs, okay?
Come on, everyone can follow. Don't fall.
Should we go this way or that way?
I don't know. Let's go that way.
So we love Christmas in our family, so we have not one, not two, but 3 Christmas trees.
So that's the upper view. Oh, Celeste.
So
Yeah,
let's go see
absolutely.
the library. Now,
Okay.
we haven't really put a lot of books in there yet, but we have plans to just fill it up.
Yeah, because Ariana is a nerd. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I am a nerd.
And Sarah too. Sarah loves to read too.
Sarah's a nerd like me. This is our library. It is the most special room.
That's our library right there. As you can see, I'm just gonna kind of span this down and get the picture of our library. We try and close this when we're not here because we're always like, the kids are so fast and they're just running around. If you look down, you just saw this whole space right here. It's a special place for sure. Reading is such an important thing for us. And this here, the big play area, what we're gonna also turn this place into is a dancing place. We dance with the kids, you know, like this guy here. You love to dance? Yeah, she loves to dance. All right. You feel good? Now you're all right, just from a touch, like touched by an angel. Isn't that your favorite show?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just have to keep our kids really close because this house is almost 7,000 square feet. It's a total of 10,000. And 7,000 completed and 3,000 is not. Yeah, but this is good. We keep this open for that very reason too.
Good job, Andy.
As you can see, we don't have many toys in this house. And
We have toys. Our kids have a lot of toys, but whenever we go to buy another toy, we always have them donate their old toys. So that way they're still in really good condition for the kids to receive them.
What are you doing, Ronnie? Are you rolling? And what are you doing, mister? You'll have to roll too. Okay, mother.
Okay, so we're going to show you one more room in our house that we just love so much. It has a lot of special meaning to us. Welcome to our room.
All right, it's like 2 king-size beds.
2 California kings.
California king-size bed put together.
We even have a custom sheet made for it that fits across the length of both of them.
We always sleep with the kids. Although we have got all the space in the house, that's one thing we do. Is like we all cramp up and like a circle into a ball and just sleep together, you know? That's our special night, you know, we tell stories, we read books together. And
We love it. Even Savannah's getting the hang of being with all of her siblings.
yeah, you know, a lot of people would be like, you're sleeping with your kids and your kids don't have their own room. We just did this all throughout our life. Everyone's having so much fun and we are too. At the end of the day, that's what it matters, you know, and we get closer to each other, you know, because we always are together no matter what we do.
And
Yeah.
you'll find there's a lot of parents like us who sleep alongside with their babies, and it's just really comforting for
It's
the
very
kids.
comforting. Like when you sleep with your kids, I think they really fall in love with you extra.
Is that true, honey? Do you love me more, honey?
Hit
Yeah.
the subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Give this a huge thumbs